Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of controlled demolition of buildings. This method plays a crucial role in modern engineering and safety. Whether it's an old structure or a large industrial complex, sometimes buildings need to be safely demolished. So, how do we bring a building down with explosives? Throughout this video, we'll explore what controlled demolition is, how it's done, the safety measures involved, and the steps of the process.
Wow, that's awesome!
Yes! Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh! Jesus.
Controlled demolition is the process of bringing down a building in a safe and controlled manner using explosives. In this method, special explosives and techniques are employed to cause the building to collapse in a way that minimizes damage to the surrounding area. This type of demolition is often used when demolishing buildings in urban areas or multi-story structures, where traditional methods would be more dangerous or impractical. There are several key reasons why controlled demolition is used to bring down buildings. Time and cost efficiency. Controlled demolitions are much faster compared to traditional demolition methods. The use of heavy machinery and labor costs is also reduced significantly. Safety. Controlled demolition allows for the safe removal of buildings. The explosives and techniques are carefully designed to minimize any harm to the surrounding environment. Demolition in confined spaces. Controlled demolition is particularly useful in dense urban environments or tight spaces where buildings are close together. It allows for safe demolition in areas where traditional methods might pose a risk. Demolishing a building through controlled demolition is a highly detailed engineering process. Let's take a step-by-step look at how this works. Planning and assessment. The first step in the demolition process is assessing the building's structure and determining what kind of explosives will be used. Engineers analyze the building to understand how it will collapse and what risks might arise. Placement of explosives. Explosives are carefully placed at specific points of the building, such as weak points in the structure, support columns, or foundations. These placements are critical to ensure that the building collapses in a controlled and predictable manner. Electronic triggering. The explosives are detonated remotely using an electronic system. This allows for the demolition team to be at a safe distance. The explosives are usually set off in a specific sequence to ensure the building collapses symmetrically. Demolition in action. When the explosives are detonated, the building begins to collapse rapidly. The timing of this collapse is crucial, and it is meticulously calculated to avoid damage to nearby structures or harm to people. Post-demolition checks and cleanup. After the demolition, the area is cleaned up and any debris is removed. The structural integrity of nearby buildings and infrastructure is also checked for any potential damage. Controlled demolition involves significant risks, but with the proper safety measures, these risks can be mitigated. Here are the key safety protocols. Trained personnel. The team placing and detonating the explosives must be highly trained and experienced. This ensures the process runs smoothly and efficiently. Site security. A secure perimeter around the demolition site is established. No one is allowed within this area during the demolition process. Special precautions are also taken to protect surrounding buildings. Remote control. Explosives are triggered remotely, allowing the demolition team to remain at a safe distance during the actual blast. Pre-demolition testing. Before the actual demolition, Tests and simulations are carried out to ensure that everything works as expected, reducing the risk of any surprises. Controlled demolition has been used to bring down many famous buildings around the world. Here are a few notable examples. In conclusion, controlled demolition is a remarkable feat of engineering. Thanks to advances in safety, planning, and technology, it has become an increasingly popular method of bringing down buildings. In the future, controlled demolition will likely continue to play a key role in reshaping cities and structures around the world. Whether for industrial complexes or residential buildings, this technology will be essential as cities continue to evolve. Controlled demolition of buildings isn't just about blowing things up. It's a highly precise and calculated process designed with safety in mind. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how controlled demolition works. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.